Hey y'all, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll try my best to help you um, learn how you can add shadows to your videos in CapCut PC, alright? So it's not on your computer, it's not, so it is on your computer. I'm gonna show you a PC, like CapCut on your computer, but not on your phone, because CapCut is pretty popular on Android as well. I think it's more popular on Android, and not I think, I 100% know that. So I really hope guys this is gonna help you. So also make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. I really appreciate it. It really help a lot. And now let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is once you import your video in CapCut PC, what you have to do is just to go to library, and here we have a black layer or black image or whatever, just grab now this black image and drag it over your or that's that's good. Yeah, do that. But I have just to so I can show you the black background. I'll drag or I'll add this image, this white image, this white layer under this image, and now I'll add this black layer. In fact, that's what you actually have to do, because as default, if you resize your image, your video, you're still gonna have the black, but it's not like a real shadow. So yeah, in fact, you have to add this image, this white layer above your no, not above, under your video. So under your image video, add this two layers, white and black, and now select your video, click on 2 here, and then here click on the black one, and now click on mask and select here the rectangle one. We have to resize this exactly. It has almost the same resolution as the video we have here, and then just increase the feather. Now as you can see, we have a black shadow under our video. Now you can customize it the way you want. Now you can add less shadow, and just increase. And if you want the shadow to, if you want a very, very obvious shadow, that's what you can do. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how you add some shadow, black shadow to your video. Now, in contrary, if you're looking to add some different color aside of black, maybe a red color, you just have to grab a red image, a red layer, and then just grab the red layer there, and you're gonna have some red shadows. So yeah, I really hope guys this video helped you. I really hope you learned something. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.